video, we will review information to keep in mind as you prepare to depart Saudi Arabia for Hajj or Umrah. Make sure to keep your passports secure. Review vaccine requirements for entry into Saudi Arabia on the Saudi Ministry of Health website and recommendations on the CDC website. If you're bringing medication, please remember to bring enough for the duration of your stay. Don't forget to bring your prescriptions issued by your doctor in case the customs authorities have questions. Please check the official Saudi Customs Authority website for more information about prohibited items. Be aware that Saudi law differs from US law regarding social media. Social media commentary, which Saudi authorities may deem critical, offensive, or disruptive to public order, may lead to arrest and prosecution in Saudi Arabia. Review the Department of State travel advisory for Saudi Arabia at travel.state.gov for information regarding security, prohibited items, and social media commentary. Have a safe journey. We look forward to welcoming you in Jeddah.